Almost every day there are leaks of information about the new flagships of the Galaxy S10 family. This is not surprising, the announcement is inevitably approaching, and it will quite deservedly become one of the notable events of this year in the world of smartphones. The authoritative insider Roland Quant decided to join the wave of plums, having laid out a portion of high-quality press renderers of the Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus, and he claims that they are official. He tried to show how the new products will look in three colors: white, black and green. It is likely that in the color palette of the enclosures of the devices there was a place for more shades. It is confirmed that the Galaxy S10 will be a bit more compact than its larger version and will also receive 3 lenses on the rear panel. Externally, the news is almost indistinguishable. Only increased dimensions and the presence of a dual front-facing camera are issued in one of the Galaxy S10 Plus smartphones. We see that the flagships got curved at the edges of the Infinity O matrix and display fingerprint scanners. According to rumors, ultrasound sensors are from Qualcomm. Recall that these models and their smaller brother Galaxy S10 will debut on February 20th at a separate event. It is expected that the press conference will also show a flexible smartphone, a new smartwatch, a couple of fitness trackers and wireless headphones.